Welcome to Learn with Funways Always for calm learning and strong foundations. This is Level 0, where learning begins from the very basics. Level 0 focuses on basic strokes and lines that build the foundation for future learning. Practicing strokes helps develop control, direction, and confidence before learning letters and numbers. In this level, we practice straight lines, curved lines, and simple patterns. Learning here is slow, calm, and designed for repeated practice. This level is designed for beginners and early learners starting their learning journey. Let's begin learning together with Level 0. More calm learning videos are coming on our channel. Learn with Funways Always for calm learning and strong foundations.